Hi, my name is Staff Sergeant Ascia Martin. I'm from Bronx, New York. My MOS is 3529, Motor Team Maintenance Chief. I'm currently on recruiting duty. I joined the Marine Corps because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do after high school, and I was going to do the same thing, go to college. I just didn't really have the money, but I tried anyway, took out loans, found myself going broke, going into debt, and still didn't know what I wanted to do in college. So I started thinking about the military. I seen what it did for my older brother. And my mom, she was telling me about it, and I was like, hey, you know what, let me check it out. I looked at many different branches, and the Marine Corps was just the exact fit that I wanted. It had everything that I needed. I like the challenge of it. You know, it made me push myself every single time. It has become basically like a giant family. I've met some of the best people that I've known. They've become some of my best friends. Being in Japan was one of my favorite things because I got to try a whole bunch of stuff. Like I tried surfing, went go-karting with just like people from different walks of life, you know, and just being out in the Japanese culture was one of the biggest things because I always wanted to go there, just never know how I was going to get there, and I ended up going there, and you know, that was like a life-changing opportunity. There's a lot of opportunities in the Marine Corps. The best thing to do is come, sit down, find out what it can do for you and how it can help you to get to where you want to go. You can get in contact with me through my social media on Instagram at SSGT, Martin, ASCIA. You also can find me on Facebook at Ascia Martin, and I'm also on Twitter as well. I believe it's Staff Sergeant Martin Ascia as well.